Relationship vocabulary. Mafutanga. Relationship. Alofa. Love. Ote alofa ya te oe. I love you. Pepe. Baby. Ona sao mai lea se Pepe bea umele fa'i puiponga. Then comes a baby after the marriage. Faipuipo, marry. Ua e faipuipo, are you married? Ua e faipuipo, are you married? Pepelo, lie. Ua pepelo le na kamalua yake au. That man lied to me. Ua pepelo le na kamalua yake au. Famangalo, forgive. Sa fasili mai o ia yake au e famangalo aya o ia. He asked me to forgive him. Ino, hate. Sa o kale aku ya le kama. O te ino lava yake oi. I replied to him, I really hate you. Uo, friend. Mulilua, cheat. Sa kala ngo o ia ilana uo I se aso. Sa ia fai aku ya lako. Ole a o mulilua aku I la uko lua wa mulilua mai o ia yake au. She talked to her friends one day. She told them, I want to cheat on my spouse because he cheated on me. Fa'aloalo, respect. Kolua, spouse. Satali maile uopalang. Afaia te le'i fa'aloalo atu no kolua ya te oi. Ya, ona fai lo mulilua loa. The white friend replied, if your spouse doesn't respect you, then go ahead and cheat. Malie, agree. Na akaako kenge uma wa lako le malie ilana upu. All of the girls laughed because they didn't agree with her words. Fa'amaoni, trust. Fa'alango, trust. Moni, true. Ona fa'a kulea le kenge Samoa. E te taona o ko yai le fa'amaoni, ma fa'alango, ma mananao e yai fa'akasi. A fai pele ai, uele ai se alofa moni. Then the Samoan girl said, you all must have trust and want to be one. If not, then it's not real love. Vocabulary, ole mafutanga. Relationships. Love, alofa. Hate, ino. Sex, momoe. Fight, fusu. Argue, finau. Agree, malie. Lover, kolua pa'anga. Friend, uo. Trust, fa'alango, fa'amaoni. Family, anga. Adultery, mulilua. Lies, pepelo. Truth, moni. Kiss, songi, kisi. Married, fa'ipuipo. Respect, fa'aloalo. Manaya, attractive, nice. Aulele, pretty. Mana'o, want, to desire. Forgive, fa'amangalo. Sa